How to remove profile picture on Facebook. So go ahead and open the Facebook application. Once you're in the home page, click on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, tap on your profile picture on the top. This will direct you to your profile tab. Now tap on your profile picture and choose View Profile Picture. Now your current picture will then enlarge on your screen, and on the upper right corner, tap on the three dots icon. These additional settings will then show. From here, select Delete Photo, which is on the very top. Right after it's deleted, your profile photo will turn into the default gray person icon here. So that is how to remove profile picture on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.